Gurudev, my name is Trivadan.
And my name is Vidya.
And we both are the students of class 9 studying in Sri Ravishankar Vidya Mandir. And today we will be presenting our Neuro Sakhi. And this is an AI companion designed to support teenagers emotionally only using voice. Mental health issues are increasing very rapidly in India, and many students feel exam pressures and societal expectations from their parents. So they get anxious, they get depressed, they get many other mental issues, but they cannot just express it only because they either they have fear of judgment, or they are afraid of people who might cause harm to them only because of their information, whatever they have given to them, or they are just too shy to express to doctors, parents or elders.
What is Neuro Sakhi? Neuro Sakhi is a wearable device. Like it can detect your emotional feelings. It can make you understand things better. It can make you understand things better. It does not replace any therapist. It's like a friend, like a true friend. And you know, it's hard to find true friends.
And true friends who do not judge are also very, very rare. And over here, let me explain the setup of our project. We have used an INMP 441 module. It's a microphone, and we have the speaker, and we have the microcontroller, which is ESP32. It is powered currently by an USB cable, and we have this push button to start speaking or stop speaking. And over here, let's see a demo. So let's imagine a situation. Let's imagine our friend Dhyan to be a very stressed, emotionally stressed person. He has societal expectations. Let's see what he speaks.
Exams are coming near. I'm feeling so stressed. I don't know what to do right now.
And Neuro Sakhi responds.
Exams can be really overwhelming. It sounds like the pressure is feeling crushing right now. What's been the most stressful part of preparing for exams?
As you can see, it responds calmly, and it asks the user again what it was really which was bothering him. So we can conclude that this thing responds very calmly, and it does not judge, as we said before. And a true friend like that is really required for teenagers, and it helps really. So one more aspect which has to be considered is the security. The entire setup, including the application, runs on the microcontroller offline without any cloud support. So this helps to secure the whatever data is being put by the user. So there's no risk of hacking or something like that. And to conclude, we teenagers need someone to express their feelings with, a true friend who can actually listen to whatever emotional turmoil is going on with them. So this really helps in reduction of suicide rates. And if this project is implemented all over India, even if 30% have been affected by this, at least 8 lakh Indian teenagers will be saved from suicide. And this is really significant because many teenagers are just dying in a really young age, and our India, being the most youthful country, has to sustain more youths than just getting them suicided. Thank you, and Jai Gurudev.
So yeah, you've been using Neuro Sakhi for a while now. Tell me your experience with it, and tell me how it actually helped you in your stressful situation.
So honestly, with assignments and stress, Neuro Sakhi helped me a lot. I could just talk without feeling judged or rushed. It didn't interrupt or lecture me, it just listened. That alone made my mind feel lighter and calmer. After that, I felt more relaxed and ready to get back to work.
Thank you for your feedback. It meant a lot.
Yes, thank you.